Hi you guys, I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to a new vlog. I'm starting off the vlog with my little buddy he always gets so excited. I tell you guys, like whenever I bring out the camera, I think he just he starts jumping around and like really wants me to film him, and he always starts doing something cute. I think it's just because I'm giving my attention to something besides him, and he's like, what? I'm right here, Mom. I'm right here. So it's been a little while since we caught up, so I wanted to just chat with you guys for a little bit. So I was in Canada for Shambhala Music Festival for the past I was there for like almost a week, and I got back a couple days ago, and I actually did vlog the festival. I am super stoked. I will be posting a vlog from my experience. It was a fantastic time. It's just so cool to like go up to BC and be at a completely new festival and just experience it with new people. I'm back in Boise. Today I'm actually going to start the vlog by putting together a new couch that I got in the mail. Actually, it came when I was away in Canada, and the boxes are outside of my house. We haven't even brought them in yet. There's a bunch of boxes, but pretty much I've been wanting to upgrade my couch, which we're sitting on right now. I've been wanting to upgrade this couch to something bigger. I've been really wanting a sectional. I kind of feel like I initially should have bought a sectional when I did buy this couch. However, at that time I was just living alone, and I only had like me and Squirtle to think about, and I didn't really have like as many people over as much as I do now. And also Sean and Smokey are pretty much over like every day. I got a new sectional, and that is what came in the mail, and so we're gonna be putting it together. I'm gonna show you guys the process of putting it together because it's supposed to be pretty simple. It's supposed to like come in the mail, and then you're supposed to be able to assemble it pretty easily, either by yourself or like with another person. So we are gonna see how that goes. I just kind of wanted to do like a little weekend vlog, kind of start up like a week in my life again. And today Mercury is officially out of retrograde, so I'm like in a great mood. I'm fucking happy. I don't know how you guys deal with Mercury retrogrades, but for my personal sign, Virgo, I'm on the Virgo Libra cusp, but Virgos, our ruling planet is Mercury, and so when Mercury is retrograde, I'm not just saying this, like my entire life feels so just like out of whack. I feel like I just want to bury myself in my bed for like 3 weeks, and just because I know that shit is just gonna go wrong and things are gonna hit the fan. And so I'm just so happy. I always get so freaking stoked when Mercury goes back direct. Anyway, just I don't mean to rant about astrology, but you guys I'm sure some of you guys can relate that feel those retrogrades really hard. There's been so much going on lately with like the crazy eclipse a few weeks ago, and then the retrograde. It's just no. Look at my boys. Maybe you boys can just have this couch, and then after we put together the new one, you know, you guys can just have your own freaking couch, and you won't have to steal all the room when me and Sean go on it. Look at those beautiful brown smoky eyes. I had some friends over last night, Sean and Josh and Thomas and Jose, and Thomas's sister came by as well. So now everybody pretty much except me went to get some breakfast. I had actually already eaten breakfast, and I was like, I kind of just don't feel like going and spending money. Like I don't even need food right now. So that's why I'm home with the dogs alone right now. Not that any of you guys were actually probably wondering. Guys, probably one of the best parts about being friends with all boys in the friend group is they open boxes for me and lift heavy stuff for me, and they just do it and they don't even care. They love it. I'm gonna go help, I swear. I'm just setting up the camera so we can film this, and then we're gonna start putting it together after everything's inside. to Burrow, which is the couch company that I decided to go with. So they have a really cool online feature where you go onto their website and you basically design your couch. So you can start from as small as, I think, a love seat, which is like 2 cushions, and you can go up to 3 cushions or 4 cushions, which is what I chose to do. And you can add a sectional, so the longer part on like whatever side or area of the couch you want to. It's extremely customizable. You can even customize the leg color, obviously the color of the cushions, and then if you want the armrest to be high or low, you get to customize and choose that as well. And they ship the couch right to your door, and the way it's delivered is in like still big boxes, but it's not like a ginormous box for the couch. It's smaller boxes. Very easy. As you guys saw in this video, we unwrapped those boxes and put the couch together with the help of the boys, which was so nice and helpful. Probably in less than an hour. I would say it took 30 minutes to an hour to do, including all of the unboxing. So it's extremely easy. If you guys are interested in upgrading to a new couch anytime soon, or you're moving anytime soon, or you know a friend that needs a couch or a sectional in their life, you can go to the Burrow website, and with this discount code, you can get $75 off your order. I definitely recommend. I'm so freaking happy with mine, and I really appreciate Burrow for working with me on this video. Just finished putting together the couch. How does it feel?
It's awesome.
Guys, I think it looks awesome in the space. So we have the little like sectional part over here on the corner, which we didn't have that before. And I had a 3 cushion couch before, and now I have a 4 cushion couch. Ooh, for the 4 of us, plus Jose. He can fall asleep on the sectional instead of in the dog bed, and maybe a little bit better. I think it looks so good.
There's enough room for 3 people and the dogs.
Right? This is like, wait, this has to like be the thumbnail. So cute. I know. Wait, and I haven't told them yet about the secret. What's the best part about, not the best part, but what's one of the secret parts about the couch? You don't have to show it, but
there's like a little charger back here that you plug in and you can charge your phone.
Yeah, there's like a USB cord. It's like right under this pillow somewhere, and you can freaking charge your phone with the USB from the couch. It's kind of the same color as like my wall paint, but I do love gray. I think it looks good with like the floor and everything. I would probably get a little like, I want to get a little rug in here, maybe a little area rug. And thank you boys so much for all the help.
No worries.
I don't know how good you can hear me because they are playing some great group love right now, but we have been at this new brewery that just had their grand opening today in Boise. I'm sorry, it's a bottle shop. Apparently it's different than a brewery. So, look at this fucking placement. We've already drinking all of these. Mostly the boys. I only had 1 and threw some away. And then look at this beautiful one that we just purchased for the road home.
Can I tell you some interesting facts about this bottle?
Yes.
So this company was invented in 1654. Is when they first started brewing beer.
What?
Yeah, Sijum is almost a home place for like crafted small brew, like beer making.
Okay.
It's corked. We're gonna give it a try, and we'll let you know how.
I like how it's a pink elephant.
Yeah, going through the spiral. Yeah.
Yep. Which one was you guys' favorite of all of these?
This one was really good. That's
the Ferocious from Portland.
Yeah. You guys want to try it?
You guys want a little Okay, bye. Alright guys, that was the end of yesterday's footage. It's the next day now, and I actually started a new vlog today and finished editing this vlog already, and I think it's like a perfect amount of footage for the day yesterday, so I wanted to end off this vlog here. I hope you enjoyed seeing me put together my new couch. If you guys are interested, you can make your own customizable couch with like as many cushions. You can make it a sectional, you can make it a love seat or a regular 3-cushion sofa or a freaking king size 4-cushion sofa like I got. I'll have the Burrow link in the description box. You guys can definitely go check it out, or maybe if you are moving to your own place at some point, you can go and check it out. Extremely happy and grateful with the sectional. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this video. Also shout out, I said this in the video, but shout out to all of the boys, Sean, Thomas, and Josh, for helping me put together my couch. They were already over. I didn't just invite, I know in the video it kind of looked like I invited them over literally just to put together my couch, but we were already hanging out previously, and they're such kind people. They don't mind helping me out with stuff like that at all. And I freaking really appreciate it. Shout out to good friends who help you out with things that you're not quite as good at. I've never been too good at furniture assembly. So it's really nice to have extra hands and people that are better at it than me, in my opinion. Leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you, hear what you're up to, hear what you want to see for more videos, and I will see you guys in my next vlog.